Hello, my name is Reynard and I'm going to show you how to log on to CPanel. Before I show you, let's quickly ask a buddy what CPanel is, what is it used for, and why is it important for you. Similar to WordPress, CPanel is a user interface that makes a complicated system more manageable for developers and average users. You typically encounter CPanel as the primary control panel for hosting accounts. Some of the areas you can manage on CPanel include the following: website file organization, software installations like installing WordPress, email account creation and management, domain and subdomain creation and management, database search, backups and management, user management, password and security, and much, much more. Now that we understand what cPanel is used for, let's log on and show you how to get to there. From our homepage, all that you have to do is simply go to the top right hand side and click on our customer logon. From here, you would need to enter your email address and password you used during your registration process. Once logged on, you will arrive at your Web Hosting for South Africa customer dashboard. From here, we're going to go to your active products to access cPanel. On the left hand side, below your action bar, the very first option is Log on to cPanel. Congratulations, you are now logged on to cPanel and ready to start your configuration. That concludes our tutorial of how to log on to cPanel. If this tutorial has helped you, we would love to hear your feedback. Kindly comment on the section below. Should you need any technical support, kindly log on to your Web Hosting for South Africa dashboard and log a support ticket. As always, I'm looking forward to be of assistance to you in the next tutorial. See ya!